हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू गार्गी गुरुकुल। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज से हम सीबीएसई पैटर्न के मैथ्स के कुछ टॉपिक हम सीखने वाले हैं। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं फ्रैक्शन। तो फ्रेंड्स, ये दो बच्चे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हैं। ये इनका नाम ये अनु और ये अदु। अब ये दोनों स्कूल चले हैं और स्कूल जाते जाते इनको दिखा एक सफरचंद, एप्पल। तो अब ये एप्पल एक है और ये लोग हैं दो। तो एप्पल तो दोनों को चाहिए। तो बोथ आर डिसाइडेड टू टेक द एप्पल हाफ। आधा इसने लिया और आधा इसने लिया। ओके। तो एप्पल गेट डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स लाइक दिस। तो फ्रेंड्स, this one apple is divided into two parts. Means this one part is given to boy and another part is given to that girl. In this manner, this is a one apple and get divided into half part and half. Means two. This one apple is divided into two parts. Okay, and this one part we can say as 1 by 2 and this one is 1 by 2. Okay, two parts out of 2, 1. This is 1 and these two parts out of 2, this is a 1. Okay, in this manner this one apple we can say as it's a whole part and it's divided into in these two parts. Okay, let's take another example. This is pizza. Okay, the this is a whole pizza, one part. Okay, and if we divide it in many parts like that, in this way, suppose in the first figure we can say that the pizza is get divided into two parts. Okay, two parts means 2 out of 1, means it is a 1 by 2. Suppose that pizza here get divided into 3 parts, means this is a whole pizza, get divided into 2 parts, and also we can draw this line, means 1 part, 2 part and 3 part, means pizza divided into 3 parts, means 3 parts out of 3 parts it's a one part. Okay, we can say that this is a 1/3, this is a 1/3 and this is also we can say that this is a 1/3. Similarly, pizza get divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Out of 4 parts, this we can say that this part is 1/4. Similarly, in this figure, this is a whole pizza and it's get divided into how many parts? 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We can say that if we ate this one part 8, हमने ये खा लिया इस वन पार्ट को, then out of 8 parts 1, so we can say that it's a 1 by 8. So friends, we can define the fraction as it's a part of whole. फ्रैक्शन की डेफिनेशन हमने कैसे सीखी? इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ होल। है कोई पार्ट दिया है और उस पार्ट का हम इक्वली इस तरह से डिवाइडेशन करेंगे तो ये क्या हो गया? आधा पार्ट हो गया और ये हो गया आधा पार्ट। इट्स होल ऑब्जेक्ट को हमने 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हुए हमें इट्स पार्ट को हम कहते हैं 1 by 2 और इस अनदर पार्ट को कहते हैं 1 by 2. बोथ आर इक्वली डिवाइडेड. So friends, fraction is nothing but part of this whole. Whole means entire object का part. Let's take one example for your understanding. So friends, two friends are Tinu and Minu. Okay, both are friends. So teachers have 4 chocolates, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 chocolates get divided into these two friends, Tinu and Minu. Then how we divided? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 chocolates divided into 2 means out of 4 we have to divide between 2 people, Tinu and Minu. Okay, so it's divided like this. फ्रेंड्स 4 चॉकलेट्स है और बच्चे हैं 2, तो 2 में डिवाइड करना होगा. तो 4/2 इज़ नथिंग बट 4 divided by 2 is nothing but 2 means Tinu get 2 chocolates and Minu get 2 chocolates. Now next scenario is like that. Tinu and Minu again. Now we have 2 chocolates. Okay. How we divided? 2 means Tinu and Minu are 2 and chocolates are also 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 means Tinu get 1 chocolate and Minu get 1 chocolate. Now next scenario is like that. Again Tinu and Minu and now chocolate is only 1. Now who gets this chocolate? Tinu get or Minu get? So friends, now Tinu and Minu are 2 students and chocolate is 1. So this chocolate is divided into 2 equal parts like this. Okay, we divided this chocolate into 2 parts. This half part is get to Tinu and half part is get to Minu. Means this 1 part and this is a 1 part, means 1/2 and this is also 1/2. This 1/2 is nothing but fraction. This chocolate is initially whole part and when we divided it equal parts, then its part is half, get half means 1/2 and we call it as fraction. So we define the fraction as fraction is always the part of whole. Okay, got it? In this way आज हमने जाना fraction. I hope you get understand well fraction. Thank you students.